the Capso sandbox for BUFI. So this is our WhatsApp API provider. If you guys want to take a look, it's from a friend of mine in Argentina. He's building recent for WhatsApp. So he's getting a lot of traction recently. So here what you do is basically you just say hello. It'll ask you if you want to create some wallets, if you want to transfer any money, tell you what balance you have available. So right now you can see I have 10 USDC on ARC. You can select an action and you can do all sorts of things. None of it is entirely working. Some of it is, but not all of them. The code itself, like the functions are there. It's mostly about making sure how it works. I think once we go onto an API based infrastructure, this will all work out because right now for the hackathon, it's all super self-contained. But anyways, yeah, you can check your balance, you can add wallets, you can check what addresses you have. So let's say, let's try out some prompts here. For example, here it's trying to do a Paysefolia transfer as well. Let's see if this works out. Probably not, but let's try it out anyways. Here we're going to pay Fred 1.5 USDC to a given phone number on ARC testnet. Takes a while, so come on. I don't know. Maybe it's not working right now.
Can you reopen the app? It can probably.
Yeah. Yeah, we can. I can send the link. People can try it out on their own. Anyways, basically the idea is that you can create several wallets. Some of the technologies we used was, for example, generating payment links with QR codes, and so on, and request payments and stuff like that. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not going on right now. Anyways, that's it for the pitch demo. Maybe it'll work out in the future. Keep you posted.